I'm cutting up snow peas.
So what are you doing to them?
I'm cutting off the stem in a bowl.
What are we having for supper?
We're having snow beans,
Peas.
snow peas, some chicken breast, some mushrooms, and some teriyaki sauce.
And some white rice to go with it, right?
And some white rice to go with it.
Still got all your fingers?
Mm-hmm. I'm good at cutting up stuff.
Be careful.
I know.